This is Marty from Photoshop Art House. I'm going to show you how to easily create double exposure photo portraits. Open two photos you'd like to use for this project. They can be color or black and white. The first photo will be used as the silhouette that your second photo will be placed into. The result looks best if the subject in the first image is mostly in shadow. If the background isn't already white, we'll replace it with white. To do this, open any selection tool and click Select Subject at the top. This automatically selects our subject. Press Ctrl or Command J to copy it onto its own layer. Create a new layer below it by Ctrl or Command clicking the new layer icon. We'll fill this empty layer with white by pressing Shift plus the F5 key at the top of our keyboard, or by going to Edit and Fill. Choose white. Make the top layer active and click the Adjustment Layer icon. Choose black and white. We'll increase the contrast by clicking the Adjustment Layer icon again and choosing Levels. I'll drag the Input Black slider to 98 and the Midtone slider to 3.8. Keep in mind that since every photo has different brightness and contrast, adjust these settings for your image as needed. Open your second photo. To place it into the first document, press V to select the Move tool and drag it onto the tab of your subject image. Without releasing your mouse or pen, drag it down into the document and release. Before resizing and positioning it, change its blend mode to screen. Press Ctrl or Command T to open the Transform tool. To resize it, drag any anchor point in or out. To reposition it, click inside the bounding box and drag it. When you're happy with its size and position, press Enter or Return. This is Marty from Photoshop Art House. Thanks for watching, and remember, take care and be kind. See you next time.